Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am MK Jabintaj. Today in this video I am giving you the knowledge about the fifth module of CPS subject for the first sem BE CSC CBCS VTU students. I am dedicating this video to all the students. Now let us begin. Pointers. Introduction. A pointer is derived data type. This is the one which stores the address of data in memory. We will be in position to access the data directly and do calculations over it. The standard concept is access the data from memory using variable name. It gets the data and operations are done over them. But the pointer is different, that the accessing is done by address. The data is stored so that it will be advantage of decreasing the instructions and overheads of standard usage. Now let us see definition. A pointer is a variable which contains the address of another variable. Advantages of pointer: enables us to access a variable that is defined outside the function, can be used to pass information back and forth between a function and its reference point, more efficient in handling data tables, reduces the length and complexity of a program. Sometimes pointers also increases the execution speed. Declaring of a pointer variable. General form. See the figure, where the asterisk tells that the variable pointer name is a pointer variable. Pointer name is a identifier. Pointer name needs a memory location. Pointer name points to a variable of type data type, which may be int, float, double, etc. See the example with figure, where PTR is not an integer variable, but PTR can hold the address of the integer variable. That is, it is a pointer to an integer variable, but the declaration of a pointer variable does not make them point to any location. We can also declare the pointer variables of any other data types. See the example. Now let us see dereference operator asterisk. The unary operator asterisk is the dereferencing pointer or indirection pointer. When applied to the pointer, can access the value the pointer points to. See the example. The null pointer. Sometimes it is useful to make our pointers initialized to nothing. This is called a null pointer. A null pointer is the pointer does not point to any valid reference or memory address. We assign a pointer a null value by setting it to address 0. See the example. This statement assigns address 0 to IPTR. This statement describes a special processor define called null that evaluates to 0. Hence, a null pointer is a pointer type which has a special value that indicates it is not pointing to any valid reference. Now let us see initialization of pointers. Initializing a pointer variable is an important thing. It is done as follows. Step 1. Declare a data variable. Step 2. Declare a pointer variable. Step 3. Assign address of data variable to pointer variable using ampersand operator and assignment operator. See the example. Pointer arithmetic. Pointer arithmetic operations are different from normal arithmetic operations. The operations allowed to on pointers are add or subtract integers to or from a pointer. The result is a pointer. Subtract two pointers to the same type. The result is an int. Comparison of two pointers. Note: multiplication, addition, division of two pointers not allowed. Add or subtract integers to or from a pointer. Simple addition or subtractions operations can be performed on pointer variables. If star IPTR points to an integer star IPTR plus 1 is the address of the the next integer in the memory after star IPTR. Star IPTR minus 1 is the address of the previous integer before star IPTR. See the examples with figure. Note, pointer is always incremented or decremented as per the type of value it is pointing to. Subtract two pointers to the same type. In C, subtraction of two pointers are allowed. See the example. Comparison between two pointers. A pointer's comparison is valid only if the two pointers are pointing to the same array. All relational operators can be used for comparing pointers of same type. All equality and inequality operators can be used with all pointer types. Two pointers addition, subtraction and division is not possible. Pointer comparison example. See the figure. Pointers and functions. Pointers are often passed to a function as arguments, allows data items within the calling program to be accessed by the function altered and then returned to the calling program in altered form. Called address are by location. When arguments are passed to a function by value, the data items are copied to the function. Changes are not reflected in the calling program. See the example. Pointers and arrays. When an array is declared, the compiler allocates a base address and sufficient amount of storage to contain all the elements of the array in contiguous memory locations. The base address is the location of the first element, index 0 of the array. The compiler also defines the array name as a constant pointer to the first element. There is a strong relationship between pointer and the arrays. Any operation which can be performed using array subscripting can also be performed using pointers. The pointer version will be generally faster than the array version of that program. To access the address of any element, use a plus I. To access the element of the array, use star a plus I. See the program. See the continuation of the program. Now let us see pointers to pointers. C allows the use of pointers that point to two pointers, that is in turn point to data or even to other pointers. In order to do that, add an asterisk for each level of the reference in their declarations. See the example. Pictorial representation of the above example is as shown in the figure. In the above example, P1 is a pointer variable to A and P2 is the pointer to pointer variable for P1. P2 has the type int double star and a value 3000. P1 has the type int single star and a value 1000. A has the type int and a value 10. Pointer and structures. Like array of integers, array of pointers, etc., array of structure variable is also available in C, and to make the use of array of structure variables efficient, use pointers of structure type. See the example.